Welcome. Today, we'll walk you through the updated steps to allow WhatsApp to access your location on your Android device. This is a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open your phone's Settings app. This is where you can manage permissions for all your apps. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Apps or Apps and Notifications. Depending on your device, this might be named slightly differently, but it's usually easy to find. Next, scroll through your list of installed apps and locate WhatsApp. Tap on it to open its settings. This will bring up a screen showing various options and details about the app. Now, select Permissions. Here, you'll see a list of all the permissions WhatsApp can request access to. Find Location in this list, and tap on it. Once you're in the location settings, choose Allow Only while using the app. This ensures WhatsApp can access your location only when you're actively using it, providing both functionality and privacy. And that's it. You've successfully enabled location access for WhatsApp. With this setting in place, you can use features like live location sharing seamlessly while maintaining control over when WhatsApp can access your location. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with anyone who might need assistance with their app settings. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy using WhatsApp with location access enabled.